In this video, I'll show you how to reset your TCL Smart TV even if you don't have the remote control. Step 1. Use the physical buttons on your TV. Find the physical buttons on your TCL TV. Usually, these are located on the back, side, or bottom edge. I'll look for buttons like Power, Volume, Channel, or Menu. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power button on your TV for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Step 3. Perform a factory reset using buttons, if available. Turn off your TV completely. Press and hold both the volume down and power buttons at the same time. Keep holding for about 10 to 15 seconds until the TCL logo appears or the TV restarts. This should trigger a factory reset or bring up a reset menu. Step 4. Use a smartphone remote app, optional. Download the TCL TV remote app or any universal remote app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Use the app to access the settings and perform a factory reset. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.